Hi, I'm Denis from SDCentrum. Our team helps companies build, implement and maintain business solutions based on Microsoft stack. And if your company utilizes Xero, a cloud-based accounting software, we got some great ideas on how you can unlock the power of Xero data by pairing it with the amazing business intelligence tool Power BI. This duo will revolutionize your data analysis and reporting capabilities, meaning better performance, finding critical insights and satisfying stakeholders and regulatory bodies with the detailed and clear reports. Suppose you want to analyze how your new sales strategy or recent changes in the company structure affects your profit, or you want to track various categories and costs. That will be quite challenging to achieve in Xero itself. However, introducing Power BI that could quickly source the data from various systems and consolidate it in Dataverse will enable this opportunity, as well as provide you easy access to historical records. Here are some other incredible benefits using Power BI with Xero data. Number 1. Streamlined data connectivity. Power BI effortlessly connects with Xero, enabling you to easily extract and integrate your financial data. Say goodbye to manual data entry and time-consuming exports. With just a few clicks, your financial data is ready for analysis. Number 2. Interactive visualizations. Power BI offers a wide range of visually stunning and interactive charts, graphs and dashboards, transforming Xero data into eye-catching visualization that makes it easier to identify trends, spot outliers and gain valuable insights. From bar charts and pie graphs to advanced heat maps and geographical representations, the possibilities are endless. Number 3. Real-time monitoring. Stay on top of your financial health with real-time monitoring. Power BI allows you to create live dashboards that update automatically as new data is entered into Xero. Track key performance indicators, monitor revenue and expenses, and keep a close eye on your cash flow, all in one centralized location. Number 4. Customizable reports. Tailor your reports to fit your unique business needs. Power BI provides a user-friendly interface that enables you to customize reports with the specific metrics, filters and dimensions. Whether you need profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow and cost analysis, people and payroll insights, or integrate them all together, you can create comprehensive reports that reflect the exact information you require. Number 5. Data exploration and drill down. Dive deep into your financial data and explore it from various angles. Power BI empowers you to drill down into specific categories, subcategories, or time periods. Uncover hidden patterns, analyze detailed transactions, and identify the underlying factors influencing your financial performance. Empower your analytics with AI capabilities for prompt and detailed notification when an anomaly happens. Number 6. My favorite one. Collaboration and sharing. Power BI makes collaboration a breeze. Share your interactive reports and dashboards with the team members, stakeholders or clients. With easy-to-use sharing features, you can ensure that everyone has access to up-to-date financial information, fostering transparency and informed decision-making. Number 7. Mobile accessibility. Take your financial insights on the go. Power BI offers mobile application for iOS and Android devices, enabling you to access your Xero data and visualization anytime and anywhere. Stay connected and make data-driven decisions even when you are away from your desk. The combination of Power BI and Xero brings together the strengths of cutting-edge data visualization and the accuracy of cloud-based accounting. Whether you are a small business owner, a financial manager or an accountant, these partnerships offers a game-changing solution for analyzing, reporting and understanding your financial data. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of Power BI with Xero data and unlock the whole new world of data-driven insights and decision-making. And our team, SDCentrum, will help you implement this solution. Contact me, Denis, today to discuss this further.